Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a instant book, and it's made from a single sheet of paper. The only thing you're going to need is some copy paper and a pair of scissors, or if you don't have scissors you can use a knife or just rip it if you want to. And this is great for if you're going on a little field trip or something and you need to take notes, or if you're somewhere and you want to jot something down, or just for your personal use. You can make books for anybody or yourself. So this is just a piece of scrap paper, and I'm going to fold it in half. Make sure it's creased. Open it. I'm going to fold it in half the other way, lining up the corners and the edges. Open it. This middle line here, I'm going to fold it to the middle line, and back, and to the middle line, and back. You should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pages, but really only 4 pages in your book when we fold it together. Okay, I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to fold it in half again. Right where it was folded before. And this intersection right there, you can see where the fold lines intersect. I'm going to mark it here with a pencil, just so you get, well, can't really see that. I'll use a marker. You don't have to do that ordinarily, but it kind of helps when you're cutting it to know where to stop. So we take your scissors and we're going to cut across the fold line here. We're going to stop at the little dot, maybe just 1/8 of an inch over is good. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay. Now when you open it, you're going to see that this middle line here kind of opens out. I'm going to grab that and bend it this way. You might have to recrease these lines. So you have this fold here. And I'm going to pinch those down like that. You get this kind of 4 sectioned space like this. It's like a diamond, and then you squish it down. And then you just bring these together. I'll flatten it down a little bit, and you have a little instant book without using staples, without using tape, without using glue. You can use this with junk mail. If you fold it in, all of the junk mail stuff would be on the inside. So real quick, you have this, kind of separate flip it up. So you essentially just fold it in half and you open this up, squish it together, and just collapse all your pages together and just recrease it. You can do this with pretty much any size paper. You can use it on great big sheets of thin paper. Copy paper works really nicely. It's thin enough. It doesn't crack when you fold it. So that's it. Folding a instant book.